Today is June 5th. Better environment, better tomorrow. Save the planet. Happy World Environment Day. Do you know the parts of a plant? The parts of a plant, the parts of a plant. Do you know the parts of a plant that make them grow and grow? The roots they hold the plant in place, the plant in place, the plant in place. The roots they hold the plant in place, soak up food and water. The stem moves water up the plant, up the plant, up the plant. The stem moves water up the plant, brings water to the leaves. The leaves soak up the rays of sun, rays of sun. The leaves soak up the rays and help the plants make food. The flower grows into a fruit, into a fruit, into a fruit. The flower grows into a fruit which holds the tiny pip. There are five types of plants. There are five types of plants. There is tree, shrub, herb, creeper, climber. This is a custard apple tree. A tree has a woody main stem or trunk. They grow to a height and have branches above the ground. For example, coconut tree or mango tree. This is a jasmine shrub. A shrub or bush is a small woody plant. Shrubs have woody stems above the ground. They have short height and many stems. For example, jasmine gardenia. This is a TULASI herb. Herbs are plants with nice smell. They are used in medicines or for garnishing food. They are flowering plants whose stem grows above the ground and does not become woody. For example, mint, tulsi, coriander. This is a cow slip creeper. Creeper plants or creeping plants are small vine-like plants that grow close to the ground. They grow horizontally instead of vertically. They have weak stems that need support while growing. For example, pumpkin, watermelon, muskmelon. This is a flat bean climber. Climber plants have weak stems that need support. For example, money plant, tea, grapevine.